One of the safest, well-known exchanges that's known for its security and safety is Coinbase. Today we're going to walk you through Coinbase, how to navigate through Coinbase, and we're going to show you how to buy and sell various different cryptocurrencies within the mobile app. Welcome back. If you haven't done so, make sure that you press the like button, click the subscribe button, and make sure you hit that notification so that way every single time we upload videos, you're getting firsthand on watching it so that you can learn, feel empowered while you're growing your cryptocurrency portfolio. So let's go ahead and navigate to the Coinbase app so we can give you a quick walkthrough so you know exactly how to navigate the app, and you can actually figure out how to actually purchase various different cryptocurrencies right away. Now, before we do so, just know that underneath this video, right below this video, there is a link. When you click on it, you're gonna get $10 in free cryptocurrency once you make your first buy or sell of $100 worth of cryptocurrency. You're gonna receive $10 in free Bitcoin. So make sure you go underneath, click on that referral link, so that way you can receive that free $10 of free Bitcoin. So let's go and navigate to the mobile app so we can give you a quick walkthrough. All right, guys, we're now on the Coinbase app. Once you've actually done your registration and you've enrolled yourself properly, then it's gonna take you to this page. Now I'm gonna give you a quick walkthrough on each tab so you have an idea what each tab is used for. So the first one you're gonna get popped up to is the home screen. In the home screen, you're gonna see a watch list. This is basically the top coins on the coin market cap that Coinbase has available to purchase. So of course you see Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Stellar Lumens. And then right underneath, you're gonna see the top movers at a glance. This gives you a quick overview, or like a highlight, if you will, of the top coins that are growing in the market right now. And then right underneath, the great thing about Coinbase is that you can also earn cryptocurrency. By going through an education platform, you can earn $1 worth of these particular cryptocurrencies. Of course, you would need to verify your identification in order for you to have access to this, but you want to make sure you go and do that so that way you can start earning these different education platforms. I think it's very useful. If you're brand new, you want to go through these. Why not? You're learning and you're earning as you go. Discover ways to earn crypto, start earning. This is great. Once you click on that, it'll give you all those ways that I was telling you about in terms of learning different parts of the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. And by doing so, you're going to be able to earn like from Compound Finance, Stellar Lumens, and these are all educational platforms. By simply watching the video, you're able to earn different cryptocurrencies. I think that's pretty cool. You can also invite friends to the Coinbase app, and you yourself would earn $10 as well as your friend would earn $10 once they buy or sell $100 worth of crypto. Now let's move forward. On the bottom, going to the right, click on portfolio. Here you're able to actually see all the different cryptocurrencies that are within your portfolio. So you can see in this one, I have $184.09 in my portfolio. It's divided amongst Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, and Bitcoin. And you can click on each and every single one of them. For example, I'm going to click on Bitcoin Cash, and it's going to show me my trend line. So either I can click on 1 hour. So this shows within an hour window how well, or if it's gaining or depreciating. I can actually see that based on the trend line. I can click on 1 day, 1 week, and then 1 month, or even all. Going down, you can actually see Bitcoin Cash Wallet. I can click on that, and I can actually trade it. So there's a couple options. I can trade it. I can receive more Bitcoin Cash by pressing that QR code. Let's say I click on it. When I click on it, I'm able to actually have my address. Be sure to select the right cryptocurrency. If you send crypto to the wrong address, your crypto will be lost. Very important. So click I understand. Transfer crypto faster on Coinbase. I understand. So here we are. This QR code, what's great about it is that if you're seeing someone peer-to-peer and they just take their phone, they scan it, they're able to actually receive your address immediately, just basically scanning the QR code. Or you can click on copy, and then you can simply send that address to somebody else. Now in this case, this is a Bitcoin Cash address. You want to make sure that you only send Bitcoin Cash to here. If you send Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency to this particular address, your money will be lost. Okay, so click share address. You can click on that and you can send it to any of your friends that you have registered within your phone. Otherwise, you can simply click on copied and then copy and paste it to somebody else. Now, if you want to send this particular cryptocurrency to somebody, you can click on that arrow that's pointing to the right. It looks like a paper airplane. So I click on that. And then I can actually put down the amount I actually want to send. I can click on maximum, or I can actually decide how much I want to do. Let's say I want to send $5 worth, and I click on continue. And I can put in their mobile app if they have Coinbase, their email, or I can actually just put in their cryptocurrency address. Now again, always remember which cryptocurrency you are sending. So if you're sending Bitcoin Cash, you want to make sure you put in your Bitcoin Cash address here, and then make sure that you put it correctly. I always recommend send a small amount first to make sure it is correct. Otherwise, if you send too much and you send it to the wrong person, your asset will be lost. You'll notice that there's a QR code on here. If you click on that, you can actually scan. Look, this is kind of cool. Like, here's my setup. Anyways, you can actually scan someone's QR code and have it correct. All right. An optional note. This is optional to be able to put a note. Like, let's say this is buying groceries or whatever the case is. You can, once you're done, press preview send, confirm everything, and then press send. Now you can trade this. Let's say you don't want Bitcoin Cash and you want to trade it for something else. You can click trade, and you can buy more, or you can sell or convert Bitcoin Cash into another crypto. This is called swapping. Or you can cash out on it, transfer it to your bank account. That's your option. So let's say, for example, you want to buy more Bitcoin Cash. You click on that, and all you have to do is make sure that your bank account is set up. Like you can see mine here. I haven't updated mine in a while. And let's say you haven't updated it yet. You can click on that, and you can add a payment method. You can wire transfer, or you can add a payment method. Click on that. And these are your various options. You can link your bank account, which is recommended. It's quicker and it gets processed instantly, because it goes from bank account to Coinbase's bank account, so they don't have to verify anything. PayPal, debit card takes a little bit longer. And if you want to do a wire transfer, the biggest reason why you do a wire transfer is investing large amounts. There's no limit to it. Now, PayPal and debit card, there are limits to it. It's very little. So, but you have to build your credibility with debit cards and PayPals. The reason why there's limits to it is because you can reverse them. So again, there's going to be more details to that. So make sure that you visit the Coinbase website and you can actually look at the limitations on that. Now, once you're done doing that, you can actually, let's say, for example, you put $25 worth and then you click preview buy. It's going to give you the update, and you'll notice that that you can buy a fraction of a cryptocurrency, and then there's a Coinbase fee. You know, unfortunately, I will say that the Coinbase fees are quite high, but that's what you pay for safety and security. This kind of gives you a quick idea of how to actually make a purchase. And another great feature I think is great for those of you that are just someone that wants to set and forget it. You can set a reoccurring purchase. I call this dollar cost averaging, meaning you can set up to buy every single week or every single month, and your dollar cost averaging. So for example, let's say Bitcoin Cash today is $1,500. You buy it, you buy $200 for this month. Next month, it drops to $1,000. Well, you have it on auto purchase at $200. Next month, it increases. You purchase again $200. Well, it's going to average how much you purchase based on all the months, combined. So this will actually reduce the risk of putting all your money at a high price, and it just averages out. So I think it's a very smart way to do so. All right. So let's just keep going, okay? If you scroll down, it'll give you a little bit idea of the market stats on each particular cryptocurrency. Let's click on the blue middle tab right there. When you click on that, this takes it to a buy, sell, convert, transfer setup like I did before. And then let's move to prices. Okay, so this kind of gives you like a overview of all the cryptocurrencies on the market, but not everyone is available. So the only one that you can see that is available is you click on tradable. There we go. These are the one that's available. Okay. So if you, let's say for example, you're looking through here. Sorry, I'm just getting everyone dizzy. Let's say you're looking for something that's on sale. All these are all green. None of these are on sale. Let's say UMA is on sale. It's basically nearly 6% on a drop right now. Click on that. And it gives you a little bit of idea what this is. You click on trade, boom, that little thing pops up. Buy, convert, or transfer. Okay, the only other thing I want to share with you before we move to settings is the ability to trade for another cryptocurrency. This, like I said, is known as swapping. So let's say I am looking at Bitcoin Cash. I click on that blue button and I click on convert. On here, I can swap for another cryptocurrency. So for example, let's say I want to swap Bitcoin Cash, which I have available, for Bitcoin. And I want to do let's say there's a total I have available is this much, pay with Bitcoin Cash. I want to do a total of $142. And here's what's great about swapping. Coinbase doesn't charge a fee. So you'll notice it says 0.00. So as long as you actually make a purchase, once you've done that, you can swap from one coin to the other within the Coinbase app without being charged a Coinbase fee. So I think that's pretty neat. Now let's move over to settings real quick. And in settings, you can actually make sure you increase your security. These are things that are very, very important. So right here, you want to click on security, require PIN, Face ID, make sure you turn that on. Punch in your PIN number. That's very, very important. Make sure there's facial recognition. Privacy mode needs to be turned on. These are very, very important things. Outside of that, these are little features that you can do, limits and features. Here we go. Let me read these out to you guys real quick. So with PayPal withdrawals, you can do 25,000 a day, instant sends 1,000, card purchases 7,500 a week, bank purchases, deposits 35,000 a day. With wire transfers, which are large transactions, there's no limit. Okay, so you can send and receive, those are enabled. You can disable those as well. All right, guys. Well, that gives you a quick overview of the Coinbase app. Hopefully this helps. Now, again, underneath this video, there is a referral link where you get $10 of free crypto when you make your first buy or sell of $100 within the Coinbase app. Again, thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you at the next video.